Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we're back working on the RFZ. I got the carburetors I've ordered. Alright, here it is. I just opened them up. I did puncture one of these bags with the knife, as you can see right there. It's deflating. So, haven't really touched anything. I knew they were coming in. This looks like to be okay. This looks like to be adapters for both the bikes. I don't know why they're different packagings or even why this one's open. That's weird. Hopefully everything's still in there then. I got you, gasket, this. I assume you go in there. Looks like I got everything. I think this one goes on this right here. I'll figure that out in a moment. So here's the carburetors. So we upgraded the carburetors from the cheap Chinese ones that are originally on there. After 3 years for me and about not even a month for my other friend. So it looks like we got some different main jets and pilot jets. Or something. I'm very new to this stuff still. Instructions in different languages I can't even comprehend. And the actual carburetor. Oh, and I get a sticker. Now that is one schmexy looking carburetor. Does it have a choke? How does a choke work on this thing? Wow, that is shiny. Is it polished? This is shiny. That feels polished. Nice. So I'm gonna figure this out in a moment. I'm gonna open this up to see if there's even only 2 bolts. I'm gonna see if there's even jets in here to begin with. It does look like I got jets in there. So I don't know. I need to worry about that kind of stuff right now. And it does look like it's not really set to height. But that's good enough, because set to height would be roughly around like there. That's level, but it sags a little bit. I'm not going to worry about that too much unless it's causing issues. We're going to put this thing on and I'm going to figure out how this choke works. Okay, so the carburetor's out. Took it all out. Just a little full of fluid. So I'm probably going to pour that out when I get a chance. Hopefully it doesn't spill out like that. But what I do need, I need to take this apart so I can get the top end, that carburetor put together, so I can sling it on and try it out. I got the new one on there. Now I got to slip it on to the new carburetor and get it all fitted up. So already I'm running into an issue. I got slack. So I look into the other carburetor and I actually have this pipe that's got a lot more extension than that. So what I did, there's actually a plastic piece. I just bent the hell out of it, and then this should just slide on out. Right? Yep. Actually toss on the old boot. I'm gonna show you if I can press my phone between my knees how I'm gonna do this. So here we go. Just gonna twist it on right there, and I'm gonna push this rubber boot down. Oh god, it's kind of a pain. Push this rubber boot down. Okay, when I get this down, I'll show you what it looks like. Now I got that extra length I need. And then all it is, I just push the cable through that, and hopefully this gets rid of the slack I have. If not, I gotta get a new cable with less slack in there. I don't know if that's a term or something. I could probably resize it. But to me, I feel like this is probably the easiest way to do about it. Another issue. This does not look right at all. So this is the adapter plate that I need to fit onto my intake right there. And, well, I can't really get it on because that's in the way. Don't really know what to do now. This is more a pain in the ass than I thought it would be. Closer look, I took it all off. You can see it's a lot closer to that side than it is over here. It's pretty noticeable to the eye. So in words, this piece is, in other words, defective, you know? Yeah, that's a bit of annoying. I did, however, order 2 of them. And just as reinsurance that this box is a lot different, I really want to see if this is with the same issue. Don't know, maybe one packaging is older than the other. Don't know what the scenario is, but why was mine so off? Just looking at this one. It looks like the same thing. It's just really close to one side. That is really odd. How is this supposed to go on then? Makes no sense. Like, there's no threading, so we can't thread it into it. And they said this is what we need for this bike. These holes line up, no problem, but the tubing's in the way. So how am I supposed to install this then, you know? This is pretty tricky now. What I'm just gonna do, I already marked out where I gotta go and how far I gotta go. I'm gonna use a corner of this and just, you know, slowly get it in. I don't want to take out too much, just enough where I can get a nut and bolt in there. So I gotta get up to halfway to this Nebo thing. So just finished that. Like I said, just cut out a little bit. I might have to do more just to get the nut in there, but hopefully it's enough to get it by, because I don't want to take off too much, you know? I had gotten it to fit. It's on there pretty snug. But I'm trying to get this carburetor slapped on, connect all the hoses, and another issue I ran into is the air filter actually does not fit on. So I'm probably gonna run to my local auto store, see if they got something bigger than this. If not, I'm going to order something online. Temporarily, I'm probably going to stick a piece of cloth in front of it. But for now, I'm going to start off with no filter, just so I can get it running. As I'm not really anywhere dusty, and I shouldn't have to worry about any contaminants going into the engine. Don't really recommend this for driving it when you're actually riding it, but just for testing purposes, I'm going to do it to see if it runs and get it running properly, and then slap on a proper air filter. So new day. Sorry about the lawnmower in the background, but I've modified the old, you know, for the old filter to fit on, and it's really close to the exhaust is my fear right now, but we're gonna hope. So what I did, I grabbed some radiator hose and I got some pipe to put in the inside, and we're just clamping it down like that. So on top of the adapter on the carburetor and the exhaust, or the air filter, it's really close to the exhaust is my fear. So I gotta do some modification, but for right now we're gonna see if this works. At least now I get an air filter, I got somewhere to ride. I'm gonna teach my girlfriend's little brother to ride the bike once I get it dialed in, and we're gonna see how this carburetor works on top of this new exhaust. Not new, but new to me because it doesn't rattle. So yeah, making progress.